This natural skincare channel shares practical tips to boost beauty and wellness with plant-powered routines. First, viewers identify their skin type and choose gentle cleansers, hydrators, and sealants based on organic ingredients. DIY remedies use kitchen staples like oats and honey, with clear safety notes, ratios, and window for patch tests. Product application matters. Apply thin serums first, then lightweight moisturizers, and finish with sunscreen for day routines. Always patch test, seek transparent brands, and opt for ethically sourced ingredients to support gentle, effective skincare.